Darren.
Today we are at our helping breakfast, and even though it's about the evening, we're still eating breakfast because we haven't had breakfast yet. And what I like about IHOP is that those syrups over there. And so now we're gonna move it on to my brother so what he likes about it. What do you like about it?
You took my thing. I like the syrup. I like blueberry and strawberry.
And we love the pancakes and
yeah, I love the blueberry pancakes.
I love the chocolate. And now we're gonna ask my mom what she likes. Oh.
I like the almond fit. Yay!
Yay!
Egg white, spinach, and mushroom. What?
Okay. So.
Flip it back over.
So what? We just came from what's it called? Old Navy from
School clothes.
yeah, school clothes.
Yay, school!
No, not school.
I'm not ready yet. About 1 more month.
One more month?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Summer was short this time.
Yeah. Last year it was about 30. And so when we get in the car, we're going to show you guys what we got at home. Well, what we got from Old Navy when we get there.
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you what I got. It's this right here. You probably can't see it, but this little thing right here. And this yogurt. And if you guys didn't know, I love the not scrambled eggs, but the fried eggs. Fried eggs.
And I don't have my menu, but I can tell you what I have. I have 2 blueberry pancakes, hash brown, and scrambled eggs, and 2 bacon strips.
So we're gonna show you all 4 of the syrup, but we're gonna take them out and show you. No, show them yet. Syrupy is out. So I'm gonna show you. So the first ones that we have is blueberry.
This is my favorite.
And mine. And strawberry. It's also my brother's favorite and my favorite. Okay, now show yours.
I don't have to show these. Okay, we have butter pecan syrup
My favorite.
and old Fresh McBurger
Yeah,
syrup.
that's the original.
Original syrup.
Original
Yeah.
syrup. So that was the syrup. So we're gonna use that.
And stay tuned for the food.
Yeah, stay tuned. Don't skip this video.
And the food is here.
So my brother's gonna show you what
I
he
told you
got.
what I got. I have 2 blueberry pancakes, 2 bacon strips, scrambled eggs, and a hash brown.
All right.
What I got is I got a bacon, like
sausage.
a sausage. I got one pancake, and I have a little bitty nut of
Butter.
butter, and I have 1 strip of bacon, and I have some fried eggs
All right.
and yogurt.
I have my healthy
And
omelet
yogurt.
and yogurt and pancakes. And we're about to eat.
Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Hope
Subscribe
you
to our
enjoyed
channel.
this video.